Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to mute notifications from a group in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Next, locate the desired group chat that you want to mute notifications from. Step 3. Right-click on the group chat to open the options menu. Step 4. From the list of options that appear, select Mute Notifications to temporarily silence notifications from that group. Step 5. Now you can choose the duration for which you want to mute notifications. You have the options of 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Step 6. Once you've made your selection, simply press Mute to apply the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully muted notifications from a group in WhatsApp Web. Remember, you can always unmute notifications for the group by following the same steps and selecting Unmute Notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.